On the road to St Ives, I met a man with 7 wives. Each wife had 7 sacks. Each sack had 7 cats. Each cat had 7 kittens. Cats, kittens, sacks and wives, how many were going to St Ives?
Did you know that this version, made widely popular by Die Hard 3, Die Hard with Vengeance, is not the earliest version? The line, "A man with 7 wives," is a new addition. The older versions have no reference to polygamy. Let's remove it and revert back to the 1779 version. Also changed in this version is the word "each" is interchanged with "every." But this is still not the oldest version. The oldest version I could find came from 1730. This used the number 9 instead of 7. It also added more words that have been lost in later versions. "And" was added before "every," and "kits" were changed to "kittens." I was unable to find online if "kits" or "kittens" was used in the following line: "Kits, cats, sacks and wives." And now it reads, "As I went to St Ives I met 9 wives, and every wife had 9 sacks, and every sack had 9 cats, and every cat had 9 kittens. Kits, cats, sacks and wives, how many were going to St Ives?" To analyse it further, let's start with St Ives. As an English riddle, there are 2 places it could be: St Ives in Cornwall, where I started this video, or St Ives, Cambridgeshire. It is generally considered to be in Cornwall because of its geographical location, but an argument can be made for Cambridgeshire, due to it having a large market at the time the riddle was written. Now on to the cats, and why. Whichever version you look at, it is a lot of cats. In the 18th century, cats were used as a method of pest control, and were used to stop the rats and mice destroying the fishing gear. Nowadays, St Ives is more of a tourist destination than a busy fishing port. And how many cats did the wives have? I'm going to do both versions, the one which uses the number 9 and the one that uses the number 7. Okay, first we have 9 wives, and every wife had 9 sacks, so 9 times 9 is 81, and every sack had 9 cats, so 81 times 9 is 729, and every cat had 9 kittens, so 729 times 9 is 6,561. The total, not including the sacks, is 7,299. That's the wives, the cats and the kittens. To visualise 7,200 cats, I've created a growing mosaic. I'd like to say thank you to the people of the internet for all the cat pictures. Links in the description. First we have 7 wives, and every wife had 7 sacks, so 7 times 7 is 49, and every sack had 7 cats, so 49 times 7 is 343, and every cat had 7 kittens, so 343 times 7 is 2,401. The total, not including the sacks, is 2,751. This is the kittens, the cats and the wives. Now to the answer. 1. The narrator. The narrator was going to St Ives. All the wives were met on the way, but not necessarily going to St Ives.